We're about to bring out the big boys. These right here. Just almost sprayed myself. Yep, I'm gonna bring out the spray tanks. Depending on how many cars we have, they'll last 3 days or so on a full tank. It makes installing back glasses and windshields a little bit easier. You don't have to sit there and spray non-stop. Now these are awesome if you are a spray trigger kind of person. You get 2 sprays out of 1. Alright guys, that's a wrap on the Nissan Maxima. That was a 2019. We ended up doing black ceramic 30%. So that is the darkest legal limit here in Arkansas. Next up, we've got a 2011 Range Rover. All we're doing on that is we're gonna tint over everything. He did not want it removed. ...2004 Pontiac Sunfire. 'Alright guys, so we've been super slammed today. We actually have done, I think right now we're sitting at about 8 vehicles. We have had residential and commercial window tinting quote. We've been really knocking these vehicles out as fast as possible. Hope you guys have enjoyed this. It's been a pretty hectic day. But yeah, more to come, and we're super excited to start working on this channel. We'll be back. Stay tuned.